Alright, so I want to do the syllabus review here for the Spring 2015 Math 120 class, sections 1007 and 1008. These are for the online class. My email address, downs@wnc.edu, or jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. They should both go to the same place. Homepage listed there. Now I have two offices, one in Fallon, which is Pinion F1, and one in Carson, which is Aspen 231. And there's the phone number for my Fallon office. Office hours, something may change with this, so check with me if things happen to change. Monday 11 to 1:15, Tuesday 2:15 to 3, Wednesday 11 to 12:30, Thursday 2:15 to 2:45 for my appointment. Oops. Okay, prerequisite Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better or equivalent. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations, and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets, and logic. The course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer math. Areas 1 and 2 make up approximately 2/3 of the semester, and that's probability, statistics, and business, finance, and consumer mathematics. The remaining 1/3 of the semester consists of applications of the following areas: logic and sets. Okay, 3-credit course, transfer within the Nevada schools. It's designed to meet the needs for any of the schools. It may transfer outside of the system, but you need to check with that college. Linkage to the college mission: provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. The textbook we use is a survey of mathematics with applications 9th edition. You can get the book and My Math Lab, and there's ISBN, or you can just get the My Math Lab access that has a book online already. So all homework and exams are to be completed online. Okay, you need to have the textbook, paper or online version. You need to have, I would recommend a calculator at TI 83, 84, or 89. I like to use the TI 89, and the TI 30X2S is also very helpful. And that's also very inexpensive. It's like $10, $15, depends where you buy it. There's a grading scale, A, B, C, D, F, pretty standard there. Midterm, so you get a midterm, 1 or 200 points, 10 quizzes of 10 points each. There are 11 quizzes with the top 10 count for the grade. 4 chapters of homework at 50 points each, and 10 postings on the discussion boards at 10 points each. One final 200 points, so that's going to be 200, 300, 500, 600, 800 points. Look at that. So the midterm is going to be due on March 10th, and we'll cover chapters 11 and 12. You'll do it in My Math Lab. Quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes, like I said before. The top 10 count towards the grade. 8 quizzes are worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it gets a score of 0. You take those quizzes inside of Canvas. Homework, 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab. To access the site, go to, and there's a site. And there's the, should be the correct ID code there for the class that we're doing. You could buy the access directly in My Math Lab. I do not know the price and how it compares to the bookstore price. In discussions, you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say I agree. You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer a question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Final exam is due May 12th, 2015. You'll complete the final exam in My Math Lab. The final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3. Attendance: students are not required to attend. There are no weekly meetings at all, so we're not required to attend anything. A discussion grade is determined by the number of postings. I'll check the posts and introductions, homework, discussions, and math jokes. But if I miss something when you ask a question, please be sure to email me. I also like to give a chance for students to answer students' questions. Otherwise, I'm just answering all the questions, and students do not get a chance to answer them for part of their credit. So, if you need something answered by me more directly, email me about that. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they may feel and be in need of additional assistance. The counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. And that's misspelled. I want to point out that we do this midterm grade now, so you'll know middle of the semester how you're doing. Are you passing the class, or do you need to work on something there? And it's been a pretty good tool because gives students a chance to change whatever may not be working. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison. There's his email address. Disability statement, if you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trist. There's her contact information. Some important dates for the class tomorrow, or actually today's the 19th, but the class begins on January 20th. And we get a spring break. Yay. Okay, and here's our tentative schedule. So try to keep to the schedule. I mean, it's going to follow with the quizzes. So like Tuesday, which is tomorrow. I don't know. Could be the day if you're watching it tomorrow. But Tuesday you would go through those videos for 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, and post your introduction to Canvas. The quiz one will be due on Monday. And I think they open on Wednesday or Thursday. Let's say Thursday, but they may open Wednesday. But you get 3 shots at a quiz. Okay. That's it. And here's what the quizzes cover. I hope that answers any questions you have. If not, please give me an email. Okay. Bye. Look forward to the semester.